is not going to be for the weak of heart. Up to the top.
High risk, high reward.
Homage to Ace.
Turning this on, going thing.
Hey guys, I'm your STTA, aka Anand. Let's say goodbye to your boy Sami and let's welcome the most requested wrestler of this year in our channel, Will Osprey. Now that it's officially mummified, let's give him some skin, shall we? To match the details of his face, I used red, black, and green CD markers. Also, I used a orange calligraphy pen. To be honest, I'm not really satisfied with the look. It looks like a child of Triple H and Christian. Probably I'll change later, because that's what I do. But what you see now is supposed to be the base body to make Will Osprey. For his trunks, I'll be using some green reflectors. Now the same reflector I used for Logan Paul video.
Delivering some of the best professional wrestling matches this world has ever seen, bruv. So let this be a painful little jab back and a gentle reminder that you do not throw stones at an assassin with a machine gun. The aerial assassin. Now I say this with every bit of respect under the sun, sunshine.
Well, this part of attire has to look the same, so I have to make sure that this look at him.
but healthier men have tried and failed.
This Omega Beam Circle is a part of a diet, so I couldn't skip it.
Younger men have tried and failed. And better men have tried and failed, but yet, you.
To make sure about the safety of his attire, I must cover it with a protective layer of transparent cellotape. Now everything looks safe and intact. Nothing can change it.
Why, my name is Will Osprey, and I am on another level.
This usually takes time, but it was so good that I forgot about time. It's time to use the black sticker to make some clean ass kickbacks. Don't you dare forget about the knee pads. Oh man, this attire looks better than I imagined. The process of restaping in real life without the time lapse is very satisfying, and the elbow pads too. This was not the part of the reference I used, but this is a trademark of Osprey, so I had to include it. No wrestle body is completed without giving them nips. And there we have it, the aerial assassin himself, who's looking shine as Christmas tree due to reflector. But nonetheless, let me present to you Will freaking Osprey, everybody. This freak can do almost every move Ace does in real life. As you might have seen throughout this video, I couldn't do justice with all the moves I imagined, with only just the use of one hand, other being the camera guy, but it still did a pretty damn job. I think so, right? Did I? Make sure to let me know in the comment section, will you?
Osprey, he's got a hidden blade up his sleeve.
Now, will I ever find a difference? Let's compare between before and after, shall we? Looks like a major improvement for me, right? Until then, thank you for spending your time with the FM channel. Peace.
His sleeve. Adjusting that elbow pad. My God, what a shot.